Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Marta here with a huge mess leftovers after a video. I just finished recording this cute video with stamps, folks. Stamps, not so real stamps, but yet looking pretty cute and so fun. And those are the exact leftovers I have. And I looked at them and I was thinking, trash? No. Journal page? Yes. And I do have this book that I've done. This is a recycled book from, there is a video on this book from my dyed paper that I have cooked and dyed with my tea and coffee. I'm not sure coffee, I think only tea. Anyway, how about making some journal page with it, with those leftovers? You know what, why not? I keep on saying to you, use what you have. I keep on saying to you, don't buy too much, use the scraps and leftovers and everything you have. So that's what I'm gonna do now. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use this and make this project with those leftovers. So I have some leftover. Emily just came back from school. Hannah is asleep. I have this leftover paper. Yes, I do. Actually, do you know what? 2 seconds. I'm gonna grab my clear gesso and a brush. Oh, some other brush fell down, that's okay. And I'm just gonna prime this a little bit, but also clear gesso, if you didn't know, works like your glue very much, and it's great. It's great. So, interesting, isn't it? I think so. Okay. I have no plan here, guys. I have no plan at all. Forget about the plan. No, there's no plan happening here. I'm just gonna glue down those gorgeous leftovers and make some... Do you know what? I will actually glue this down as well, because or won't I? No, I'm gonna leave it as it is. So I'm gonna just swap the directory there. It's gonna be maybe like this or like this. Frankly, why not? I haven't planned this video at all. I was just tidying up the desk and I looked at it and I was thinking, wow, this could make such a gorgeous journal page. So here we are. Why not? Maybe here. Cute, pretty, vintage. I think so. Okay. I like that. Those are literally leftovers from that video. If you want to see this video, please do. I'll give you the link at the end of this video. This is so cute. This is so cute. Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay. Something out of nothing, I guess you could say. And literally use your scraps. Use your scraps. Excuse my voice, I don't know what's going on here. And that is Lucas. The noises. Oh, this is cute as well, I think. I will definitely use that. No, I think it will be just beautiful here because it's white, so it will stick nicely. Okay. Or if not this, then I have my hot glue ready to rock. Hot glue ready to rock. There we go. Okay. There we go. Nice one. Maybe even a little bit here, because I didn't attach too much glue. Maybe there as well. Wow! How fun is that? How fun is that? Wow, I love it. We have some more butterflies. Okay, why not? Why not use them? Look, half butterfly and the other half. I love this so much. Where? You have to just, you know, move around. See the placement, the perfect placement for it. Whatever speaks to you and what will kind of, yeah, works for you best. Okay, sure, why not? Wow. Wow. I love that. Am I recording? I am. I just checked it because with all the excitement, possibly there was a possibility that I forgot to press record button. Oh, I found this on the floor. Look, that's pretty too. Pretty, I guess. Ha. Nice. And we have one more like that. Literally from leftovers that were on my desk. Okay, I think I'm happy with what I see now. So I'm gonna just grab my, so we are still at the small page here, which is nice. So I'm gonna grab my transparent gesso. Now I do that because your transparent gesso is your good friend, it's your great friend. Don't be afraid to use it. He's gonna prime your project, prime your elements, prime your papers, your pages for other works, for other mixed media, colors and mediums like paints or whatever you want to collage. It's just a good thing to do. I like doing it. Even when I use my my pencil, it is already giving me this better surface to work, so I think it's nice. Okay. Now, let me just put it this way. Okay, even more. Are we still in the recording zone? We are. Do you know what? Even if we finish it that, I think it's absolutely stunning. Back to you with my pages being dry. Time to do a little bit of stamping, I think. We can do a little bit of date stamping, why not? Maybe actually here. How about a little bit of here? And I think Hannah just woke up. Not much more crafting will be done, but that's okay. Okay, so we have few places to put the stamping on, but I also have this wooden stamp which I think is super cute. It's very stationary. I love stamps like that. Now I think I need a little bit of something to kind of, there we go, bring this, maybe here, a little bit of stamping. How about here as well? Or maybe this side more. We can go around. And I think I have some glue there. I think it looks really nice. Okay. And maybe here. Super. Love that. Love that. What's next? I have also a gray stamp, which I think could be nice if we do a little bit of text stamp. I have this very old stamp, text stamp. And I think adding a little bit of gray stamping here and there with text would be nice. Yes, there we go. So it's like a secondary stamping from black. Okay. Voila! Nice! I love that. Okay. Do you think we should color it a little bit? I really think we should add some touches of color. I have those pastels from Prima, why not? Why not? So let's put some water into my brush. I'm gonna just go directly here. Oh, nice. Directly here. Now I think Hannah is slowly knocking down. Oh, Henyo, you could hear Henyo. This is very delicate pigment, isn't it? Maybe even too delicate. Or another thing that came to my mind, instead of pastels, why don't I grab my watercolors? Maybe. Let's see. And some water on top of that page. I will also water my background here, my plastic here, because I have some leftover paint. I think that's nice. Oops. Oops. Oh, there we go. That's nice. I think that works a little bit better for my liking. I think so too. Just a little bit better. Some splashes. Why not? Some gray, some nice. I like that. When everything will be dry, we do a little bit of gessoing. I think it will be nice as well to add tiny touch of gesso, which is usually brings everything nicely together. So your scraps and all, I like that. Okay, let's dry this now. Another element that we could add is actually a little bit of, this one, a little bit of pencil. Just touches of pencil to make things a little bit more edged, standing out a little bit more. So a little bit of a contrast work here and there. Oh, I think I hear little turtles. Hi! Hi! So a little bit of pencil. You know, you don't always have to smudge it, like you can just even leave unsmudged pencil. It's like a little bit of doodling, that kind of way, you know. Emily took over Hannah. So I can finish off my drawing. Now how about a little bit of doodling with my black liner, just a little bit. Something different, guys. Try to do something a little bit different. I think I'm gonna swap for smaller size. This one is 0.8. Maybe I do 0.1. Let's see. So it's gonna be more delicate. Yeah, a little bit of Mickey Mouse as well in the background. Yeah, this is nice because it's delicate. I prefer the teensy size. So I'm just going around and birdies. Can you hear the birdies? Am I recording? I am recording. So see, page from nothing, really. From use what you have around it, from your scraps, literally from your scraps. Corners. From your scraps. Okay. I love it very much. Now white. A little bit of white. I wouldn't be myself if I wouldn't add touches of white in places. Just a little bit to kind of... Oh, that's smudged a little bit too much, but that's okay. Let's try to fix it. It's a little bit of grey then. Why not? Okay, I'm gonna try to add white here as well, more, and a little bit even more here. Don't touch the black liner pen, the pen. Okay, I like that. Maybe a little bit on the edges as well. Why not? Okay, so that's what we have right now, and I feel like a little bit of edging here too. So see, with the minimum supplies, or none, nearly, I would say you can really do magic, guys. Okay, I love that. Now, definitely we need white splashes, but question is, are we finished here? Because I think we are pretty much finished here. I'm gonna use Tipex as my white splashes. So let's see. Maybe I'm gonna add a little bit of title. Artology, I think it works great here. It will work. Journal yourself as well. Those are my stickers from Maremi Small Art. So feel free to have a look in the shop for them. Artology. Oh, I love that now. Beautiful. Journal yourself. There we go. When I was creating those stickers, I really have been thinking of the usage, or where I could really enjoy that. Enjoy creative process. You don't have to be perfect. All of it, like, I love it all. Create something beautiful from nothing, literally. So maybe here. Help. Hannah is saying help. Draw away craftology, draw away, paint away, enjoy the silence. Magic dust, journal yourself, journal away. Different is good. And that's gonna be my last. Maybe here. Oh wow, I love that. I love that. White splashes, definitely. White splashes. So let's have some go at that. Okay. Oh, that went a bit crazy. That's okay. Okay, I think we can call this done and dusted. The only thing is I'm gonna grab some black and see if I can do some black splashes with my watercolor just here. Just a little bit, because I think that this could be nice contrast. Exactly, can you see how this changed and brought everything, and it's like this extra interest to our page. There we go. I think I can call this done. Thank you so very much for staying with me for this quick tutorial, quick art journaling process together. Very simple, very easy, different on the pages like that. This one is actually from card, I think, card making base, as far as I remember when I was making this book. Check the video for making this book. And as always, I would love you to share this video with your friends. Let me know what you think. Reading your comments means so much to me. It's part of the channel, it's part of my work, part of who I am, speaking to you and reading your thoughts. So thank you so much. I appreciate you all. And till the next time, happy crafting. Bye. Bye bye.